The grind culture claims we must outpace the machines, but our health is the true cost. It is time for the Win Reset solution.
We're launching something new that everyone needs to be part of, but not everyone will get an opportunity to jump in. Now, with AI, everyone is talking about speed, 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 get it done, get it done, get it done, do more, more, more. But there is one thing that no one is talking about: overextending yourself, burnout. There are a lot of high performance individuals who will not make it into the third quarter, let alone the fourth quarter, or even finish the year. Is that you? If you're overextending yourself, pushing the boundaries, listen, AI is always going to be here. It's just going to improve. It's going to take your information and run faster and faster and faster. And it's going to, hey, can you catch up? Can you catch up? And you will live the rest of your life trying to catch up until you burn out and you're gone. But AI will still be here. My name is Andrew E. Guy. I'm a mental health practitioner and a resiliency clinician to help high performance individual and executives set boundaries and help them to reset so they don't become victim of their last win. And I want to help you to understand that we're launching a program. It's called the Win Reset. It's nothing like you've ever seen before. Nothing like it. So we're only taking 12 executives who are serious. Go over to winreset.com and sign up for the waiting list. And when we launch for the third quarter, then if you're among the 12 that make it, then I'll see you on the other side. Don't waste time. Don't get burnt out. Don't overextend yourself so you can survive, and I'll see you on the other side.
The relentless pace of the grind is exhausting. It is time for a Win Reset.